Yes. Hello, everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya back on her show. This is the fourth time I have logged out and I have logged in for the same purpose because I think my phone or the Wi Fi connection is kind of interrupting in between, so I'm losing connection. But let me wrap it fast. So, letter M, which says motivation. When I told my parents to guess letter M, they always, wrote mom, more, much. So I was like, no, no, no. Letter M says motivation very clearly. Now, when it comes to motivation, there are two types of motivations. One is external motivation, and the other is internal motivation. Now, this external motivation, we get it from a lot of places. Like we listen to the videos, we read some articles, or we talk to some people who are very inspiring. So it, kind of gives us a very nice feeling and encourages us. So that keeps us driving. So I think that is a very necessary motivation factor when it comes to self motivating. But what happens, the main struggle is with that when this motivation we hear, we feel charged up. But after a few minutes or after a few days, what happens, it slips out of out of our minds, and then it tends to happen that we slip off. तो ये वो स्मशान वैराग जैसा हो जाता है दैट यू गो टू द फ्यूनरल एंड यू फील दैट ओ माय गॉड समाज में क्या लेकर आए थे, क्या लेकर जाना है, एंड देन when you come back to the normal life, then you forget that. So that is that kind of a motivation. So we need such motivation which is internal, which drives us every single day. Because if we are looking to motivate our children, because children need motivation a lot, and their motivation is in terms of appreciation, a pat on their back, or looking at them and saying some praise, praising them, or giving a praiseworthy notification to them. So for them, that encouragement is equal to motivation. Motivation. They don't understand any other language. So to keep the children motivated, it is very important for us to get motivated regularly. And majority what happens, we run short on motivating ourselves because stress takes a full toss on us. The routine life, the challenges that we face, the parenting challenges specifically that we face does not allow us to be motivated all the time. So it's very important to find some source wherein we are not always externally motivated, but yes, we are internally motivated also. Now, what you can do is, when you want to keep yourself motivated, because if you don't have, you can't give. So first you have to fill in your own bank, and then you can ask others to withdraw out of it. So you have to fill your bank when it comes to motivation. So I suggest that yes, external motivation is very, very important. So try connecting to people who keep you positive, which is very important. You need to be in the company of the people wherein you feel that okay, they keep you positive. Second important thing is read a lot of books, read a lot of quotes, read a lot of philosophical books. And I think philosophical books really bring in a lot of motivation, and they help, they kind of trigger that push button in you which keeps you going. So if as a parent you yourself are demotivated and you yourself always are negative, how can you expect your children to do better? So children need motivation, whatever age factor, छोटे बच्चे हैं या बड़े बच्चे हैं. But when can you give that motivation if you are not self-motivated? So rather than finding challenges, motivation outside, external motivation लाने से अच्छा है कि we have some connection within, जो हमारी अंदर की आवाज़ है वो हम सुने और हम मोटिवेटेड रहें, ताकि every time we are cheerful. Because parents tend to be चिड़चिड़ा most of the times, including me. Parents are not cheerful all the time. And when it comes to facing a situation or facing any challenge with parenting, the first thing that comes to our mind is always negative. A simple matter that if the child does not reach home at time, the first thing that comes to our mind is negative. कुछ हुआ तो नहीं होगा ना, if at all something happens in the child's room, for example some flower vase is broken or some book you find which is torn there, the first thing that will come to your mind is उसने ही कुछ किया होगा. So our mind is programmed in a way that we always have doubt in our children. Why? Because we ourselves are not in that programming mode wherein we can give a pause to ourselves that okay, maybe the wind blew very fast, so the vase fell down, and it always doesn't have to be a children's fault. How this thought will come to your mind? When you are motivated. How you are motivated? With positive inputs in yourself. And believe me, to take out anything positive out of your mouth or from your brain, your mind, there has to be lot of positivity that has to be feeded inside. होगा तो ही बाहर आएगा. So it is very important to feed in lot of positivity. And when you feed in lot of positivity, you will gradually come to know that yes, if I am positive, I am able to handle the situations very, very calmly. And a calm parent only can handle situations nicely. Because if you are triggered, if you are impulsive, you tend to, just shoot out anger. And it will always spoil the situation. So I am coming back to the word M, which says motivation. And when you yourself are motivated, you are calm at your heart, you are calm at your brain, you know what to think, when to pause and when to talk. So it's very important to keep yourselves motivated. Only then, if you are motivated, you will have those positive thoughts in your mind, so that when your child needs some motivation, some dhakka, some push, when your child needs, you have those words in your bank. So as I mentioned, it is very important to fill your bank with positivity. So stay with people who are positive, read books which give you positivity, listen to the talks. And when you are listening to the talks of people like Sadhguru, whom I listen very often, B.K. Shivani ji, whom I listen very often. So these kind of people, they have incidences to share. They have a lot more knowledge to share. But what we do, we listen, we like, and then we forget. So what we have to do is we have to listen, we have to like, and we have to keep it to ourselves. And how we can keep it to ourselves is when we listen anything good, we have to share it. In with our friends, with our family members, जो भी अच्छा हमने आज सुना है, पढ़ा है या देखा है, it is very important to share it. Why I am stressing on the word share? Because once you share, it tends to get registered in your mind. So it's very important to understand that programming. So if you want to keep yourselves motivated, number one, stay with positivity. Stay with the connection where you find positivity. So automatically when you are in the connection of positive people, positive books, positive videos, audios, whatever, automatically your mind will start gathering, collecting positivity. Number two, start sharing those positivities with people. So it will kind of start programming your mind that okay, and you will find this change over a period of time, that now when you've started, consciously programming your mind, believe me, at some later stage, you will feel that, okay, the response that I was giving to my child, the reply that I was giving to my child is automatically changed. I think that is motivation. अच्छी बातें सुनना अच्छा लगता है, उन बातों को implement करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So how that implementation, that bridge can be, that gap can be bridged is by sharing. And then when you are able to do anything positive in your house, also register that incident in your mind that, okay, today I was supposed to react this way otherwise, but today I am reacting this way because of this change. And now when you start, understanding that change, automatically that motivation is in process. And that is what I call as internal motivation. Because when you deal with the same situation, एक situation है जब flower vase गिरा हुआ है room में, I come and I blast. Another, and the second situation is when I come in the room, I see the room is messed up, the flower vase is broken, and I give time to myself to figure it out. There is a difference in approach. There is a difference when I see that situation. There is a different how I will react to that situation or how I will respond to that situation. So this change in that respond will only come when you are internally motivated. And to stay internally motivated, you have to be positive. So try to be in connection with positive people, listen to positive people, read a lot of books. We have a lot of time to read the books. So this is from my side. So tomorrow I will come with letter N. All my letters have been really wonderful because each letter has helped me to become a good parent, a better parent. But this does not mean to say that parenting is perfect. There is nothing when it comes to parenting जो perfect होता है. Parenting is totally on imperfection grounds because individual parents have individual children and every situation that you face is unique, that God has designed for you. So it does happen that my solutions may work, may not work for the other person, but yes, listening to those solutions, listening to those suggestions can definitely give me a way to deal with the situations that happen in my house in a better way. So it's very important to stay positive, stay tuned with the people who give you positivity. Stay away from negative people. So this is a bye. Harsha is signing off, and tomorrow is letter N. And if you want to really, judge that what is going to be letter N, you can write down on my screen, on my comment section box कि letter N का मतलब कल क्या होने वाला है. So see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. This is a big bye from my side. Thank you.